This is a simple customer support automation workflow that helps customer support teams reclaim their time while serving their customer better. Before building this workflow, I had in mind what I wanted to do. Whenever a customer sends an email, I want them to receive an acknowledgement email tailored to their concerns. Therefore, I used Miro to map out how I wanted the automation workflow to run. So I moved into Zapier, and the first thing I did was to change my workflow name to customer support workflow. So I used email as a trigger since it's one of the primary customer support channels. So I set up the trigger event, choosing whenever a new conversation begins in the email. This helps to capture every email conversation that has to do with support. Configured and then tested it to make sure everything was running smoothly. After our email trigger had been set up, I moved to Formatter. Formatter in Zapier helps you to standardize your customer details. It ensures that if a name is written in lowercase, it automatically capitalizes it and used properly in the acknowledgement email. Not only did I want to standardize the customer details, I also wanted only the first name to be included in the acknowledgement email, and it can only be done with Formatter in Zapier. Next, I created 4 routing paths using paths in Zapier to categorize customer concerns. These paths include technical issues, delivery issues, refund or billing requests, and then a fallback path for general inquiries. What this means is simple. Whenever an email comes in, Zapier automatically detects keywords and routes the request to the correct category. I had to name each part because I didn't want to make any mistake by writing the acknowledgement email. The fallback, it means whenever an email comes in and it doesn't contain technical, delivery, billing or refund requests, it automatically routes to the fallback. Then I built the condition rule that dictates how the acknowledgement email would be sent. For these technical issues, the condition rule says if the text contains technical issues, then this email should be sent. But when we ran it, we encountered this warning because the email used in building the workflow had delivery issues. Then let's watch and see how the delivery issues run successfully. You see what I'm talking about? Our workflow is still great, just that anytime an email comes in, as long as it has these keywords, delivery, billing, refund, technical, it is going to be acknowledged. Personalized acknowledgement email is definitely going to be sent to the customer. After we've built our condition, the next is to input our Gmail. This is where we build our acknowledgement email, a personalized acknowledgement email tailored to every concern. Actually, I set up the acknowledgement emails. An acknowledgement email has been sent. A ticket is created on Zendesk, and this is where an agent comes in, not to do the manual task, but to solve real customer concerns. And here we are mapping data based on the part you created. Any issues that has to do with technical issues, go to technical team on Zendesk. This is how automation works, simple and easy. No need of manual task, no need of routing tickets. You only need to create the Zendesk ticket, then route it to the right agent. And voila, everything works. You give your agents room and time to focus on what's important, which is solving real customer concerns. And at the same time, the assigned agent is notified either via Slack or email. This ensures that no ticket sits unattended. Mind you, the acknowledgement email isn't sent immediately a customer reaches out. I automated it in such a way that it delays for 4 minutes. So the customer will know that it's an automated message. This helps them feel seen and heard. To complete the workflow, every interaction is automatically logged into Google Sheets. This includes customer information, issue type, priority level, and timestamps, giving full visibility across the support system. This gives no room for missing values. It helps with analysis. Whenever you want to analyze your customer support data, you always have a complete and neat data. This is what automation does for you. It removes repetitive manual work and creates a structured, reliable support system. From email responses to ticket creation to routing and internal notifications, these are processes that can run seamlessly in the background. This is our ticket sitting pretty in our inbox. And immediately you click on View in Support, it takes you directly to Zendesk, where you start solving our customer concerns. This is what automation does. Simple, easy, and seamless. The real value is not just saving time. It is creating consistency, improving response speed, and ensuring that no customer request is ever missed. And if your current process still depends heavily on manual effort, then there's an opportunity to improve it, because the right automation does not just support your workflow, it transforms it. We don't publish this workflow because we're using Pro feature, which is Parts and Zendesk.